Welcome guys to my channel. My name is Matthias. I'm a technician. Today we are going to share in my channel YouTube that how to use this small stand mixer as a beginner. That's number one. Number topic we are going to tackle. Again, number two, how to handle it. Remember, the many mistakes of this machine to get fault is because of the customer misuse. And then the number three, we are going to tackle about how to clean it and how to store it in your house. This is a very good project you can start if you are a student, housewife, or any other person, because it can earn you a lot of money. One, this machine is a very small one and is very powerful. It has some features whereby it has this button which is used to uplift the arm. The arm consists of gears. They are stored here, which is rotates when you assemble this boil, and it has a beater, door hook, and a whisk. The same machine has a speed knob, this one, whereby you select from gear number 1, 2 up to number 6. Then it has a pass, this direction. So because I want us to go faster, one, we are going to assemble the bowl, this one. Then you have to lift the arm that way. And when you are lifting the arm, make sure you don't bang the arm, because there's a sensor which passes through here, and once you damage the sensor, the machine will start rotating at a very high speed, because it cannot sense the command from the knob. The sensor communicates with the motherboard. There's a small motherboard inside there which communicates. It has a DC and AC power, whereby when one of the AC power is connected, it will convert from AC to DC, so that the small motherboard can control the speed. So when you are lifting the arm, you press this button inside and you support the arm like that way. By so doing, you will not affect the sensor at any given time. Then you assemble your accessories. Let's assume you are now going to make a cream. You put the cream inside here. Then you make the cream. You need to decorate the cake. So you assemble the whisk for the cream like this way. Then you lower the arm down. Then you can connect it to the power. So sometimes we say the cream can go for like 4 to 5 minutes. Then once you connect it to the power, let's see it how it works. You see now it's rotating. It's now working. Very simple to assemble, very simple to use, and it consumes a very little power, and it will give you a lot of use at the end of the day. Number two, I said how to handle it. The machine, as I have already said earlier, this arm consists of gears, and the gears are assembled on the top here. There's a command which comes from the motherboard, and the motherboard is connected to the motor. The motor is the one which rotates. And if you want this machine to last for a long time, my brother and sister, you have to be careful. One, when you are lifting the arm like this up, remember to support it in order not to damage the sensor. That's number one. Number two, the boil, when you are removing it, don't remove it very hard. It's very smooth to remove and very smooth to lock it. So make sure you don't damage the hooks here, because when they are damaged, when you damage these hooks, they are like a lock. The boil will not be stable, and the motor, when it's rotating, it will be shaking. So once it shakes, then your production, I tell you, it will be not perfect. Again, when you are flipping this one, the machine up, remember to keep it in this manner. Remember not to bend it for a long time like this, because there is a safety switch again here, which allows, when it's connected to the power, it cannot run when the arm is up. But once you lower the arm like this and you connect to the power, it will run, because now when the arm is up, the switch is open. When the arm is down, the switch is closed, so the power is going continuous now. So by so doing, remember to keep it in standing manner, such that You will not damage the sensor and the safety switch also. Number 3, remember when you are using the knob, you are not supposed to just press it at high speed like this, because this switch or the knob it has very small resistance of power. So once you switch it at a very high speed, or you jump from one speed to another at a high speed, you can damage the motherboard and the knob at the same time. So please be careful. Number 3 is that when you want to store the machine when it's not in use, remember to clean it very well. You clean all the sugar and the any milk which is either spread on the top or on the surface, because by so doing, remember at the bottom, if you leave it dirty, it can attract cockroaches and other insects. The cockroach enters inside. Remember, this cockroach, they like a place where there is a sugar, something they can hit, or somewhere there's some hotness. So clean the stand mixer well, keep it in a very good and dry place, and remember all the foodstuffs which have already fallen outside here, you clean them so that you cannot attract the cockroaches. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel, and I want to welcome you back again. I will be sharing a lot of videos in the future time tackling all the kitchen appliances, both domestic and commercial ones. I want also to give you my number in case you need service to be done to your machines. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell, like and share, because in the future time I want all these machines to reach everyone, how we use them, how to assemble them, and how to maintain them by your relatives, you and any other one. My number is 0711 852 751. I will repeat, 0711 852 751. Thank you and have a blessed time.